Why do Muslims believe only in one God?
Right. So the question is, why do Muslims believe only in one God? Yeah. Well, when we look at the order, balance and equilibrium of this universe, it points to one creator. The Holy Quran tells us that had there been more than one God, there had been chaos and disorder in the universe. Because one creator may say, oh, we want this earth to be half the size of what it is. The other one may say, no, we want it twice the size of what it is. Then the third one may say, no, we want it 3/4 the size of what it is. And then some other god may come, no, we don't want it spinning anti-clockwise, we want it spinning clockwise. And then one would say, the sun should be bigger, so it would create chaos and disorder on this planet Earth. Also, if you look at it logically, do you know of any country that may have two kings? Do you? Do you know of a country that may have two kings? No. Do you know of a country that may have two presidents? No.